Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Just a quick tip for you today. If you have a three-piece razor, such as this, where the handle threads on and it disassembles like that, what happens over the years, this is the Edwin Jagger DE89, by the way. This is a Mula R89 Grande. I've shaved with this a few times and then put it off to the side without cleaning it. What happens is you get some gunk and debris built up on the threads, and then when you screw it together, that moves upward and goes up against the safety bar and the top cap where they meet. And over time, that will weaken those threads. So you may tighten it down one day and it breaks off, comes apart. What you wind up with is the threads broken off inside the handle. If you're ingenious, you may be able to get the threads out. Sometimes you may not be able to get them out. So I have something, just a real quick little tip that will help prevent that. This is a M5 fiber washer. Here's a look at it up against my shirt. You can probably see it better. It's an M5 fiber washer. What that does, it's kind of like a plastic washer, but it's the perfect size. Let's take the DE89. By the way, if you bought your DE89 from Shave Nation and you've had this issue where the threads broke off, let us know and we might be able to help you with that. The quickest way to help prevent that, unscrew the handle, take the fiber washer, put it right over the threads like so, and then reinstall your handle. You can see that the fiber washer is in there, and what that will do, prevent the two metal points from coming in contact, prevent the top cap safety bar combination from getting scratched up because you have that fiber washer as an insulator in between, and also help prevent the gook and debris from contaminating the threads where they meet the top cap safety bar. So that will help prolong the life of your razor as well, and hopefully the threads will no longer break off inside the handle, which is a sad experience if it's ever happened to you. And this works on your DE89 three-piece. This will work on the Mula R89, R41, not the twist, but the Grandes, yes. Also the Bluebeards, the Dreadnought razor, both of those as well. And the Merkur 23C, just about any razor where you can remove the handle. You can pop on the fiber washer like so, reinstall the handle, you're good to go, you're protected. If you want to pick up these fiber washers, here's what they look like in the package. Just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab them right there, along with all these other razors. If you want to pick any of these up, we'll have links down there. You can grab them right there. Or go to ShaveNation.com, enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. Please do me a favor before I head out. Smash that subscribe button down there, and then ring the bell up there so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. You won't miss any. Also, leave a nice comment. Hit that like button as well. Thank you very much for that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.